Hi friends, this video shows how to change USB configuration. Go to settings, select all settings from top right corner. Go down, go to system, go to about, go down, select Android TV OS build. Here we need to press OK button on the remote 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. See the message, you are now a developer. Go back. Now under system you can find new option, developer options. Select it. These are a list of developer options. From this list let me find networking section. See, under networking you can find select USB configuration. Select it, and here we can change USB configuration. See, so we have 5 options: charging, MDP, PTP, USB Ethernet and MIDI. Okay, and here we can change. So please try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.